Today I'm going to show you how to get blue hair dye out of a bathroom, so off the tiles and out of the grout. So the first step, I mixed up some Fabuloso water. It is very powerful, especially when you don't dilute it a lot. So I'm really soaking the walls and the grout, and I'm just going to let it sit there, and I'm already seeing the liquid I haven't even scrubbed or anything, and it's already kind of starting to roll down and pool, so that's a really good sign. So I'm gonna get some gloves on, and then I'm gonna let this sit for a few more minutes and then see how much washes off. So not perfect, but it's a good start. It is a good start. I'm seeing a lot of color come off already. I'm gonna do another couple sprays on this. See how much color will come out. Okay, next step, I'm going to now scrub on the tiles to get rid of the dye that dripped and splattered and stuff. The Fabuloso soaking on it, it's been a few minutes and most of it's actually already come off. So that's my next step, is to just get all of that so that all I have left is blue in the grout. And that's gonna be solved in a different way. So I'm gonna wipe all this down. I'll give you an update when I'm done. I just finished getting blue off of all the tiles. So that was pretty low effort so far. Next step, this is gonna be the hard part of this, but definitely doable still. I'm gonna spray this Fabuloso and let it sit for probably 5 more minutes just on this grout here. Kind of harder to get on the walls because it rolls down, but at least on this grout right here, I can saturate it pretty good and it'll sit. I'm gonna go find a different cleaner after this. All right, it's been sitting for a few minutes. Gonna go ahead and start scrubbing. Something else I'm gonna do is also put some dish soap in the scrub pad. That way it starts to also become the cleaning agent for this grout. It's going to help a lot as I really work these cracks. I did a pass on that, and now I've applied some Comet with bleach and all the grout cracks. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. Try to get some on the wall, that's always a challenge, so just let it sit and it's gonna really start to eat away that color. Okay, this Comet is what's really helping the most. Notice when I scrub right here, normally my grout is kind of in the grayer region, and you can see that gray is coming back versus blue, which is what it was in the beginning of this video. And as I scrub, you can really see the water in the solution is turning blue, which is what the hair dye is. So to me, it seems like it's sucking it up, pulling it out of the grout. I just finished doing a pass scrubbing, and I now have this, it's like a Comet paste, and I'm just gonna let that sit in the cracks as well. But you can really see, I'll wipe a section off. It's actually pretty challenging to see in the video. But once I wash this away, you're gonna see that a lot of that blue color has faded. So I'll do that here in a minute. So you see in this corner as it's washing it out, you can really see that gray color has returned. It's no longer blue. I'll do a side-by-side before and after at the end of this video as well. But that works pretty fast. It's probably the cheapest way to do this too. So if you got some blue hair dye in your bathroom, this is gonna be one of the best ways to handle that. You don't need to get any of those special expensive products. I think this thing of Comet, those are probably like 50 cents at the store usually. And I was just using Fabuloso, which makes 100 gallons of it. So this is pretty cheap, cost-effective stuff. It just takes a little bit of time and elbow grease, but really it didn't take much time at all, maybe 30 minutes collectively so far. I'm gonna keep cleaning this, a little bit hard with one hand, but I'll give you an update here in a bit. All this project complete. There's still a little bit of blue like in this grout right there, But based on just time commitments, I have to step away. I'll probably do, there's a little bit more right there too. I'll probably finish this up a little bit later. But you know, that got 95% of it out really quickly. Hope this helps you.